Pet him. Alright, hit the ball, not the tee.
Alright.
Good job.
Get him a big old glove.
What'd you say? I think we have green beans in our tree.
Okay, that's awesome. You can eat them. Keep going in the same thing.
What does he call him? Snuggie?
Snuggie.
You call him Snuggie?
We call you Bubba.
Say baby? Where's the baby? I think it's time to get him a glove. Oh, it's just like an old bottle of Jim Beam.
Wow, that's so cool. Is that how it comes?
Yeah.
Like sands through the hourglass.
So we're stuck in traffic after the event. Wow, now isn't that a piece of property to have right there? It's like falling apart though.
They do.
Yeah. It's like somebody inherited it and left it. Look, that one pillar is hanging on.
Giving Chase Santana over to his left. He's got room in front of the foul line to make the catch. Out number 2, throwing back to first. Backhanding it off the glove of Machado out into left field. Trying for third is Crone. Here comes the throw, not in time.
Yes.
And it's runners at the corners, a daring move because Crone cannot get thrown out there. And he had pretty much popped up and stopped at second. It's a base hit. And first and third, here comes the tying run, Brad Miller. You better make sure you get there because